through wall opening, precision cuts, structural reinforcement, DIY renovation secrets. Ever seen a contractor just blast through a wall and wonder how they don't take down half the room? Making a clean pass-through opening isn't about brute force, it's about precision engineering. When you're dealing with structural materials like running conduit or heating rebar, you can't afford to just start hacking away until something breaks. You have to know exactly where you're going and how to guide the cut. First, we prep the area, setting up our guidelines and reinforcing points. Instead of letting a powerful tool chew through everything randomly, we use a simple piece of piping as a physical guide. This pipe acts like a template, keeping us perfectly aligned across the opening. We can then fashion a specialized tip to push from the other side, which minimizes vibration and keeps the structural integrity where it needs to be intact. This technique is all about finesse. Hitting random spots with heavy equipment doesn't just loosen bricks, it risks destabilizing multiple components at once. By using this controlled method, guiding the cut piece by piece, we manage the material removal systematically, ensuring a clean passage right through the core without collateral damage to surrounding elements like wiring or adjacent framing. It's that difference between demolition and deconstruction. Understanding how to guide your power tools instead of just swinging them is what separates a messy job site from a professional finish.
Si bien fue un agujero grande, no es si fuésemos a pegarlo con la maceta, no solo que aflojaríamos los ladrillos, sino que destruiríamos mucho más. Ahora voy a hacer el otro y lo vemos y luego vemos cómo termofusionamos.